Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Shehzad and you're watching my YouTube channel Breeding Wild Farms. It was quite a long time I didn't make a video, so today I'm gonna make a video regarding my birds. If you see, they are very healthy and happy now. See this charcoal guy, very nice, very good. And these two charcoal split female and one male. Another female is very nice. See, this is the very nice female. So I have removed all the boxes. Hopefully 2 months I'm gonna give them a break, so they will not go into the breeding or mating season. So because it's a very hot here, that's why I will give them a break. And after August, in September, we'll give them a boxes again in September, so they will start breeding. So see, they're healthy, very nice, and very good size. See this gray female, I love this female. She's having a good score. This female is also very nice. This male guy, these two, one male and female in the middle, they are the son and daughter for this male. And this is the lightback charcoal female. She's also a daughter of that charcoal male. And they're very nice, fully healthy. And hopefully the next breed will be with the charcoal babies. And let's go to the second pair. The second pair is here. They are healthy also, and their babies are very nice. And we have 3 babies, CFW, and one baby is a fawn. And I'll show you guys what are the babies. If you see, the babies are very nice. 3 babies. I'm gonna check one by one if they are having any male or female. Let's check this baby. I'm gonna bring it out. This boy, they just get the feed from the mom. That's why they're eating. See, he's eating still eating. I think this will be a male. I'm gonna focus it. See this guy? I'm not sure if it is a male or female, but the headset is very nice. And let's see this guy. They get him. So it's a nice, and seems like male, and it's a bit dirty because their place is like that, and he's very upset, the dad, because I pick his boy. Okay, seems like a male, and headset is very nice. Sorry for the focus because my camera is a little bit, see, now you can see it's an orange CFW, small beak, big head. Let's see the other one. Wow, this is a male. I'm very happy with this. Wow, see this guy? Very nice, big size, very nice color. It's the color of their mom. She's also white, see? And I hope this is a male CFW. Very nice. See the headset, and beak is very small. Let's go for the third one. The third one is little smaller. Also seems like a male or female, because cheeks are also very dark. Sorry for the, see, the cheeks are also dark and it's a white. When they come out within a 1 to 4 5 days more, and then they will be really nice. This has a black face also, with the gray and black face. Nice color, I like it. I'll put them back. Okay, there we go. Okay, they're happy. I will cover them. They're scary. Okay, nice, fine. Okay, I was expecting there will be some orange male or something. Let's see, these white, because their mom is gray chick and white, and dad is split fawn orange. So hopefully they will be a nice birds. Okay guys, this was the progress I want to share with you guys, and hopefully you like my video. Please hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos and subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel. Take care, bye bye.